Listen, y'all, this is the first time this is happening in my life. I got two pairs of military blues right here. We got the early pair that I paid resell for. Then we got the retail pair from sneakers. We about to compare the two. I'm gonna give you a resell analysis. I've been hearing there's rumored stock numbers that got updated. I think there might be less pairs, but we about to talk about the military blues. I know I've been ODing with it, but there's just a lot going on, bro. Like, what can I tell you? I got a new pair of them and I want to see if there's any differences, what's going on between the two. So we about to get into that. If you're doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. I promise y'all the next video after this is gonna be the review. I'm gonna film the review tomorrow. I gotta check the weather. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna be. I gotta film that and then I'm gonna drop it Thursday for y'all. Here we got them, family. The Jordan 4 military blues again, but this time this is a retail pair. These are coming from the sneakers app, and mind you, this is kind of like a pivotal emotional moment for the channel. I've never had a double up in my life, and I never even thought that this would be a thing that I'll be able to do. I don't know if it's a shoe that I'm gonna end up keeping. Like y'all heard me say a few videos ago, I look at some of these sneakers as assets that I could further move into other things. But right now, we got the double up for the military blue Jordan 4s. These come with the Nike Air hang tag in the orange color, very similar to what the OGs came with. No metal beads on the hang tag, shit crazy. But boom, going on to the actual sneaker, it's pretty much the same thing that we saw on the first look video. You got that military blue on the outsole, gray on the front and back, same dark ass blue on the midsole, Nike Air on the back. I'm loving it, honestly. I told y'all one of these pairs was gonna be a double up for me, whether it was the breads or these. I always gravitated towards the military blue, so it just ended up being this pair right here. Now, do I know if I'm gonna keep it or not? That's another topic for a different day. I could probably use the trade to get a different shoe, to get an early shoe for the channel, a giveaway for y'all. These are all different possibilities, but for now, we got the double up, baby. So let me pull out the other shoe, see if there's any differences. I still see widow's peaks on this pair, same color with the dark midsole, and it has the off-white, off-blue color up here as well. Obviously, I had a legit pair. This is for the non-believers, you feel me? The people who always comment, yo, they got reps. Like, nah, bro. We got them right here. This is the pair from the sneakers app, and this is the pair I showed y'all a couple videos ago. It's the same shit, literally, bro. Y'all can see the new pair I just got from sneakers app does have the widow's peak that I ended up cutting off of this one. Mind you, I think it looks pretty good. If you got the widow's peak, just go in there with a really fine set of scissors and cut it, because it just looks way cleaner. Like, as soon as I took it off, I immediately loved the way it looked. So yeah, these are coming with the peaks, my boy, and it's kind of crazy too, like pretty exaggerated compared to what we've seen on other Jordans. Nonetheless, beautiful shoe. Y'all could see right here, we got that thing. Both my pairs low-key look identical. If anything, my early pair looks cleaner than the sneakers pair, bro. Like, these already have a scuff damn near on the upper, and these are crispy, bro. Shout out to my boy Marv Deadass. Your boy got the dub, and by dub I mean double up. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we're gonna process it, you feel me? I'm gonna marinate with it for a little bit, and if I don't want one, then I'll end up getting rid of it. But I'm gonna give y'all a couple tips when it comes to picking these up. These are gonna be dropping this week, so you gotta be on it. There's a lot of raffles going on right now, which you definitely do want to enter on. There's been multiple sneakers releases from the exclusive access and the shock drop, which luckily for me, I was able to get exclusive access on sneakers. That's the only reason I ended up with two pairs. I feel like on drop day, I probably would have skipped. Since I did get access, I just bit the bullet, and I'm not mad at it. It is what it is. There's a couple different things you want to do on release day. at 10 a.m. you want to go on Hibbett Sports because they are doing a first come first serve. Obviously for the sneakers app you have around 5-10 minutes to really get your shit together and then go on there. So at 10 on the dot, go to Hibbett Sports because they're doing the first come first serve drop, and I've had luck with Hibbett in the past, so make sure y'all check that out. There's also a bunch of raffles. There's gonna be the JD Sports access for you to be able to go pick a pair up at the mall. And speaking of the mall, make sure you hit the stores up. I don't mean just call, pull up, because somebody gonna forget to get their pair. They might get a pair on sneakers and be like, you know what, I don't need to. That shit will happen. So be the person who catches that pair on the back end, if that makes sense. Just be there so you could get a pair, especially if this is one that you've been wanting for a minute. Go out there, get your hands on them, bro, because if you don't, you definitely won't. It's one of those things. It looked like the pair from Sneakers app already got tried on, bro. What's going on? That's pretty much it for the military blues. But today we had the Travis Scott's drop, the little skater vibe joints. I tried for them. That was an L. You feel me? There was 13,000 pairs releasing. And I'm actually gonna get back to these because I just remembered something. Stick around for the end. But 13,000 pairs of the Travises is insane, bro. As soon as I heard that this morning, I'm like, bro, there's no fucking luck. There's nothing with those, bro. If it's hard to get some shit like this that was rumored a million pairs but has been debunked, I'm gonna talk about that in a little bit. If it's hard to get some shit like this, imagine 13,000 pairs. Not happening, papa. It's just not happening. So I took my L on those, and I was actually excited for them to drop. I was excited to see what they look like on feet. I don't know when that's gonna happen, buddy. I'm low-key waiting on Travis's website to drop. They've been holding out on us, bruh. It's been on the password page for days and we haven't heard, seen nothing. I guess we just gotta keep on holding on. Hopefully there's another drop on there. My girl actually wants a pair, so I gotta remember to hit her up whenever that does happen. But military blues, bro. We were hearing there was gonna be 1 million pairs, 1.2 million pairs. Bro, a lot of pairs of these right here. It has been kind of debunked. They're saying that there's gonna be approximately 600,000, which, don't get it twisted, that's hella these still. But when you compare it to 1.2 million, it's literally half. I think the demand could be just about enough for these to maintain price. If there is 600,000 pairs, it might dip a little bit lower, but I don't think it will go too low, simply because it's one of those shoes that does have a little more demand than any other sneaker. What might be affecting this one right here is the fact that there's a lot of naysayers, almost a lot of people who are on the fence when it comes to this shoe. From the color, leather up here, it's almost why I've been taking so long to drop the review for this one, because I've been marinating with it, just really processing the whole sneaker. And mind you, I'm somewhere in the middle, because a lot of people are saying that they're not feeling it, this, that, and the third, the color's off. I just love this shoe for what it is, the nostalgia. When I really sit here and look at the colors, it's a little bit different. I will not lie to y'all, but I kind of like it, bro. Like, I don't know, these are fire. It's like a grayish tint on the leather, but I don't mind it. At first, I was trying to wrap my head around it. The more I see it, I kind of think that it goes. Darker blue, the gray tone on the leather kind of works. I'm feeling it. That's why I got 2 per for the first time ever, bro. I don't know if it's the right decision. Let me know in the comments if it's a smart move or if it's ass. Should I just flip it? Should I give it to one of y'all? Let me know in the comments. If y'all enjoyed this video, bro, leave a like on it down below. It's super easy, super simple. Leave a like on it down below. Y'all don't understand what we go through, son, to make these videos happen for y'all. I appreciate you. I love you. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Spend some time with your loved ones, because you don't know how much time we got left. That breathful out the way. I'ma catch y'all in one of these 2 videos right here, bro. I see you almost clicking off. Grab your remote, click one of these 2 videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.